What is Power Query Editor? The Power Query Editor in Power BI is a powerful data transformation tool that allows you to: Number 1. Connect to a variety of data sources like Excel, SQL Server, web pages, and more. Number 2. Clean and transform data by filtering, sorting, and merging data sets. Number 3. Shape data using features like pivoting, unpivoting, and splitting columns. Essentially, it acts as the pre-processing powerhouse before your data hits the Power BI canvas. Key features of Power Query Editor. Number 1. Data transformation. Automate data cleansing with a user-friendly interface. No coding required. Number 2. M-code. Every transformation generates M-code in the background. This gives advanced users the flexibility to customize and fine-tune data processes. Number 3. Applied steps pane. A visual history of every change you make. You can undo, modify, or rearrange steps anytime. Super handy for iterative development. When should you use Power Query Editor? You might be wondering, when exactly should I use the Power Query Editor? Here are some ideal scenarios. Number 1. When your data needs preparation before analysis. Number 2. When you're combining multiple data sources, for example, merging sales data from Excel with customer data from SQL Server. Number 3. When you need to automate repetitive data cleaning tasks, saving you tons of time in the long run. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. If you have any questions, or you want to learn Power BI in one-to-one class, connect with me with the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.